Yo, what's up, guys? I hope I'm pretty dope, though. Back to the bad boys dating lecture, man. Bad boys dating advices. And this is the only time I enjoy my work, like when I get to talk about all of these topics without letting, anyone know. Yeah, मेरे को अच्छा लगता है like to talk about all of this. And it's very sad कि whatever that I say is very negative but true at the same time. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कभी कभी. And same with Andrew Tate. Like, let's watch this video जहाँ पे ना he समझाता है कि having women by your side is very important. Like, it's very crucial. ठीक है, otherwise women won't respect you. So let's listen to the POV of him. फिर मैं कुछ अपना experience समझाता हूँ. मैंने वीडियो देखी भी नहीं है अभी तक. I'm gonna watch with you all and I'm gonna drop my POV based on to our countries. Okay, our country. I mean India, Bharat, मेरा देश भारत. That's all. So yeah, let's begin.
Women don't respect men with no hose. Bro, look a girl in the eyes and you fuck her, tell her you're gonna cheat on her. She loves it. Bro, man, they don't
I'll explain to you what it means. I know whatever he says is very exaggerating on internet. ठीक है, बहुत bold और blunt sound करता है and women absolutely hate it. Definitely true. But I'll tell you one thing what he's exactly trying to imply here. पता है क्या है, एक औरत जब उसे एक इंसान पसंद आता है ना, उस औरत के ना बैक ऑफ द हेड उस दिमाग में ये होना चाहिए कि ये इंसान जब चाहे तब औरत अपने पास अट्रैक्ट कर सकता है. ये उसके बैक ऑफ द हेड में अगर नहीं है तो मैं आपको एक चीज गारंटी के साथ दे रहा हूं, कह रहा हूं कि वो दिन दूर नहीं जब वो लड़की आपको अपनी आंखों से नीचे गिरा देगी. दैट शी वुड स्टार्ट रिस्पेक्टिंग समवन एल्स सुपीरियर. वो दिन दूर नहीं है. ठीक है, इफ योर वुमन एब्सोल्युटली बिलीव्स इन ओनली वन फैक्ट कि मेरा वाला तो लॉयल है, ही कांट डू एनीथिंग, नो, शी शुड बी स्कैर्ड एज वेल. शी शुड बी इन फियर ऑफ लूजिंग यू एज वेल. ठीक है, क्योंकि पता है क्या है, बहुत सारे लड़के ऐसे होते हैं जो पता है कौन सी मेंटालिटी के साथ डेट करते हैं कि ये तो मेरी बीवी बनेगी, एंड 99% ऑफ द टाइम्स ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. ठीक है, फॉर द 1% डेफिनेटली, अगर वो 1% में आपकी और बिलोंग करती है ना, तो डेफिनेटली हर एक एफर्ट डालो, मिलो जुलो, जो भी प्यार की जो किताबों में लिखा होता है सब करो उसके लिए. शी डिजर्व्स द वर्ल्ड. ओके, लेकिन 99% ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ women we encounter on daily basis these days, they don't. So you gotta be mindful, you gotta be playful, you gotta be some brain, you gotta have some brain, otherwise it won't work, right? So let's listen to my brother, man. It's my brother. Let's listen to him.
look a girl in the eyes and you fuck her, tell her you're gonna cheat on her. She loves it. Bro, man, they don't respect a man. They don't respect a man with no hose.
She co-signed it. She was like, "Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. You don't got no hoes. I don't want that nigga anyway. No hoes, no me.
No woman wants.
She like no hoes, no me.
No woman wants the man that no other woman wants. So
that is true.
So women try this idea of, well, I want a man that I know all the women want, but then he doesn't want them back, and that ain't real, right? So the guys, that ain't real. So what I'm saying is, what Will Smith did is he put himself in the position where he had no power and he got abused. And my point is this: when I said that the idea of being with one woman,
exactly, ये विल स्मिथ की बात कर रहा है. थिंक अबाउट इट कि मेरे को ऐसा ना बहुत वियर्ड लगता है वो रिलेशनशिप जहाँ पे women are the one controlling. It can never be a happy home. It can never be a happy home. I can swear. But my mom would think 4 times before yelling at my father. That shit is something called respect. मेरे डैड ने बना रखी है घर पे वो. My mother cannot yell at my dad. ठीक है, because first of all he has done everything. But वही बात है, आपको बाप बनना पड़ेगा. समझ रहे हो, आपको बाप बनना पड़ेगा उस चीज के लिए. You have to be the dad. You can't do anything instead of you can't do anything उसके अलावा, अदरवाइज द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज आर सेम. वो चे चे पे करने वाली औरतें, वो कॉर्पोरेट वाली लड़कियां जो चिल्लाती है, जो रिलेशन को कंट्रोल करती हैं. आई डोंट नो, मैं तो ऐसा नहीं हूँ बिल्कुल. तुम लोग मेरे को बताओ कमेंट में इफ यू आर लाइक दैट. मेरे हिसाब से इफ आई एम डेटिंग अ गर्ल, आई नीड हेड टू 200% कंट्रोल ऑफ माइंड. आज तक मैं आपको लिखित बात करूं, आई कैन नेवर मैरी अ वुमन जो मेरे को ना आके यूं भी बोल दे कि ये चीज कर, तू गलत कर रहा है. ठीक है, नो, आई डेफिनेटली वांट कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, मैं जहां गलत हूं वहां पे मेरे को ठीक करे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं कहाँ पे हो सकता हूँ, मेरे इमोशनल लोज में, व्हेन आई डोंट फील गुड. दैट्स अ टाइम वेयर माई गर्ल कैन हेल्प मी. बाकी आई फील लाइक आई हैव ऑल ऑफ द इंटेलेक्ट टू टैकल एनी प्रॉब्लम इन माई लाइफ. दैट्स द सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस आई पोजेस इन माई सेल्फ. समझ रहे हो? तो वही चीज मैं आपको समझा रहा हूँ कि यू हैव टू हैव अ फ्रेम जहाँ पे ना आपकी जो बंदी है या फिर आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड है, फिर एनी वुमन यू टॉक टू, शी डोंट टॉक टू मच टू यू. लाइक मेरे को नहीं पता लड़के डिसरिस्पेक्ट हो कैसे जाते हैं. लाइक दे लेट दैट स्टैंडर्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट गर्ल. वो शुरुआत में नहीं होता, वो शुरू में छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जो लड़के स्लाइड कर देते हैं, कि चिल्लाना, उसका उल्टा बोलना. ठीक है, फिर वो धीरे धीरे कंट्रोल, पावर, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वुमेन डू. दे टेक advantage of every single thing you tell them you are susceptible and you are scared of. ठीक है, अगर आपको लगता है ना कि अगर आपने उस लड़की ने आपके ऊपर एक बार चला एंड यू लेट इट बी, तो शी कैन डू इट ट्वाइस एंड द थर्ड टाइम शी वुड नो ये तो मेरा बेटा है, ये तो मेरा बच्चा है, तो कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. So that's how it goes. Let's watch आगे.
Forever is going to be torturous. I'm not even talking about the fact that I don't get sexual variety. I'm talking about the fact that I cannot see myself 5 years down the line being in a position of power within my own life and household. I want a position of power. If someone breaks, bro, if I'm walking down the street with my chick and someone pulls a weapon and I have to fucking deal with him and I end up getting a fucking manslaughter charge, for example, I don't want her fucking, she's going to jump on a new dick and I'm in a cell. No. I need to have a position of power and control, and I need to know she's loyal to me for life. That's what I want. That's what I enjoy. I want to walk in the house and say, dinner. Bitch, where is it?
Hey.
I'm not in a whole...
I mean, ये जो ये part add करता है, that's solely for clout, bro. That's solely for clout.
horrible way. In a, I love you so much, I call you bitch.
Hey.
Where the fuck's my food? I enjoy that position of power. You're not...
Exactly. And पता है ये थोड़ी सी exaggerate sound कर रही है, but मैं इसका point समझाऊं क्या था. Like whatever you say is the law and order. That's how men want the relationship, and that's the one they're happiest in. ठीक है. And मेरे को नहीं पता तुम लोग, मतलब मैं पता है बहुत सारे लड़के ऐसे आते हैं मेरे comment section में कि नहीं भाई उसकी भी needs है, morals है and all of that. Definitely भाई वो चीज तो है ही. But as a man, I cannot imagine myself on a place where there is lack of power. ठीक है, मैं एक सर्टन लाइफ जी रहा हूं, मैं सेल्फिश इनफ हूं भाई कि मैं चाहूंगा मेरे पास सारी वो चीजें हो जो मेरे को चाहिए. आई एम सेल्फिश लाइक दैट, आई एम बिल्ड लाइक दैट. ठीक है, एंड आई एम नॉट इवन फकिंग सॉरी अबाउट इट. आई डोंट गिव अ फक अबाउट इट. ठीक है, आई वांट टू लिव इन अ पोजीशन ऑफ पावर एंड एवरीथिंग एंड हैप्पीनेस. एंड थिंग इज कि आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि जस्ट पावर एंड अब्यूज एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. नो, बट आई वांट टू लिव इन अ पोजीशन वेयर नो वन कैन एक्यूज मी ऑफ एनीथिंग. आई वांट टू बी इन द राइटेस्ट पोजीशन. समझ रहे हो? आई डोंट वांट पीपल अराउंड मी जिनको बैठ के समझाना पड़े कि हाँ मेरे को ये चीज नहीं पसंद, तो मेरे को यूं नहीं बोल सकती. फक दैट शिट. इफ यू डोंट एक्ट लाइक द वे आई वांट, फक ऑफ. Because 99% of the times people are not adding value in your life unless or until it's business. Believe me, if that's not happening, if I'm not getting paid for, if I'm not getting money, the least I could give a two fucks about is my emotions. Right? And if उस चीज पे भी मैं समझूं किसी कमेंट पढ़ के ऐसे कि भाई मेरी तो मॉरली यूं है, मेरी तो बंदी ऐसी है, वो तो मेरे को चलाएगी, वो तो मेरे को बताएगी एक रिलेशनशिप में दोनों होती है, गुड वाइफ गुड लाइफ. मैं चीजों में बिलीव ही नहीं करता. कॉल मी वट एवर, कॉल मी मिसोजिनिस्ट, कॉल मी वट एवर यू वांट टू. I can never see myself in a position where a woman is ordering me. It's impossible. It's impossible. Like, I'm not exaggerating, but मैं तो ये चीज नहीं कर सकता. आपको चीज गलत लगे, ठीक लगे, it's on you. I cannot do that. मैं नहीं कर सकता ये चीज. I'm not raised like that. ठीक है. I want a family where I am the dad. It's like the way I have seen my father. When my dad says something, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अपनी बीवी से प्यार नहीं करते, वो अपनी मेरी मम्मी से प्यार नहीं करते. No, he absolutely loves her so much. ठीक है, he takes care of her, he do everything. Whenever my mom says कि I need this, my dad makes sure कि वो मौज आ रहे हैं. Anniversary पे he gifted her so many pretty साड़ियाँ, every single thing, बनारस जाके. Like my dad puts effort, but my mom actually gives it back as well. उनकी सुनती है कुछ ऐसे. Like I've never, it's been so long since I've seen my parents fighting. Touch wood, touch wood. ठीक है. So when I see a dynamic like that, I learn from it, right? You learn from your fucking family. So it's the same thing he's telling as well, but a bit exaggerated way. I cannot see myself in a position जहाँ पे लड़की ना मेरे पे चिल्ला रही है. No, fuck off, bitch. I'm not listening to you. कोई लड़की चिल्ला रही, मतलब मैं तो बिल्कुल ही टॉलरेट नहीं कर सकता. मजाक सेट के मैं तो बहुत उल्टा बोल देता हूँ कि पहुंचो यहाँ, निकलो यहाँ से, fuck off. मेरे आगे मत बोल, मेरे से बात करनी. You have to be like me. You have to be with me. If you want to be with me, show me something that you are worth being with. ठीक है. लाइक वो थोड़ी सी होनी चाहिए भाई. यू नीड टू बी फकिंग सेल्फिश विद योरसेल्फ. और ना मैं खुद को ना वैसे बढ़ा चढ़ा के बताना नहीं चाह रहा. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द वे आई एम, एंड इट हेल्प्स इन दिस लाइफ बिकॉज वी आर नॉट इन हेवन. कलयुग में जी रहे हैं. ठीक है. लास्ट आई रिमेंबर लविंग अ गर्ल ब्लाइंडली, आई गॉट चीटेड ऑन. ठीक है. नाउ आई एम नॉट पुटिंग माई इनसिक्योरिटी. आई वुड स्टिल लव लाइक द वे आई यूज्ड टू, बट आई एम नॉट गोना डू इट ब्लाइंडली. आई एम गोना डू इट प्रैक्टिकली to the woman who I would feel like is the one, is the ride and die. That's all. That's what he's saying as well. Let's watch this video now.
You're gonna have that if you ain't got hoes.
Hey, and I don't know how much you keep up with, like, you know, pop culture when it comes to hip hop. So there's this rapper named DaBaby.
Okay.
He had this girl, her name is Danny Lay, and recently hopped on live. She just had a baby by him.
Okay.
And he said to her, I'm on live right now because she's trying to be all violent or whatever.
Yep.
But really, I want her to get the fuck out of my house.
Yep.
And her response was, "Oh, you want me to leave? But I just had your baby a couple of weeks ago. You want to go fuck other women, this and third." And I was talking to a friend of mine who essentially, I'm telling women, like, if you're with a guy who owns his place, I own my house.
Yep.
If a woman comes over for a month, 2 months, at some point you're squatting.
Yep.
You're intruding on my space.
Yep.
And it's very normal, at least for me, to be like, "Hey, I've enjoyed your time, this and third, but you need to go."
Yeah.
And women somehow seem like they believe it's not a feasible demand to say you have to go when you don't necessarily, you're living with that guy.
Bro, it's their we have to understand there's so much human nature which is biologically driven. That's their biological imperative. X guy fucked me. Even if I'm not pregnant, I could be pregnant. And biologically, right before birth control, if you get fucked, you might get pregnant. I could be pregnant. I'm not going to be able to survive out here in the world without a man to take care of me as a pregnant woman. He has this little house. I want to nest my ass in this house, keep the other chicks out. It's their biological imperative. It's number one, the thing they want to do. Of course it is.
Yeah.
You have to recognize what they're doing.
I've been having so many arguments with women that say, "Hey, why would you go to a guy's house? He owns the house."
Yeah.
I like living alone.
Yeah.
A woman, a guy, I don't care, alien, right? I don't even got animals. They might piss me off. You have to go.
Yeah.
The only person guaranteed is me.
Yeah.
And women come up with these, well, why would she say that why would he say that he loves her if he didn't want her to be around all the time? Why would he have a kid with her? And I'm like, do we have to distinguish between all these things?
Yeah.
It's, if you go to stay at a man's place,
yeah.
I know for me,
yeah.
the time period of me know myself, it's about 3 weeks.
Yeah.
After 3 weeks, I'm aggravated with you because I'm used to being by myself.
Yeah.
I am self-sufficient.
Yeah.
And other than you providing sex, I'm good.
Yep.
Exactly.
Which also
Exactly. If you actually think about it, what else in this world a woman can give you except sex? Answer me this thing. Think about it practically. Neither she can help you in business. Okay, I'm not talking about, there are always that 1% scenarios, ठीक है, मैं उनके बारे में कभी बात नहीं करता, मैं majority के बारे में बात करता हूँ, and almost all of the times if I'm talking about majority, they are true, ठीक है. What one thing she would be good in except sex? What's the one thing she could offer? Nothing. Her beauty and the way she sleeps with you, that's all. ठीक है. And maybe in the times when you feel sad, when you feel weird, when the life hurts, when you're on rock bottom. And what's the crazier part is कि on the surface level आपको सब औरतें बोलेंगे कि आप vulnerable हो मेरे साथ, but एक certain time के बाद ना, these are the same things she used against you after the breakup. समझ रहे हो? आपने अपनी vulnerable दिखाई, for example you are in debt, आपका ब्रेकअप हो गया, जाके 3 लड़कों को बताएगी कि अरे कुछ नहीं होता, कर्जे में रहता था, कोई नहीं होता, ऐसा एक्स था, चूतिया था. That's why I can never be a vulnerable to any woman in this world except my mother. I have to cry, I would go to my mom because I know if I'm at my fucked up situation, my mom is going to be there for me. मैं अपने emotions सिवाय अपनी माँ के किसी और औरत से शेयर कर ही नहीं सकता. ठीक है, जब मैं अपने rock bottom में hit गया, because I know they cannot help me. For fuck's sake, my mom helped me so much. Whether it's financially, whether it's emotionally, जब मेरे को guidance नहीं मिलती थी, my mom was always there for me. And I know it would sound very weird, but my mom was there for me more than my dad. My dad was a busy man. He was never there for the and all of that. But my mom was always there for me. तो मेरे को as in कभी ना हो ही नहीं सकता in my life कि मेरे को यूं feel हो कि I need emotional support या फिर ऐसा कुछ, because my mother made sure I got every single of it. ठीक है. So when I think about it, मैं सोचता हूँ कि what exactly can a woman give you? क्योंकि last time जब आप emotion share करोगे और आप कुछ भी करते हो, आप अपना 100% देते हो, the second you guys are like in an argument, in a breakup, whatever, चीजें काम नहीं करती, वो साके सारे दुनिया के आगे उगल देगी. That's how women are. That's how women are. They live in the emotion. They live in a current emotion. अगर 6 इंसान बैठे हुए हैं, 6 के 6 बात कर रहे हैं उस लड़की के ब्रेकअप के बारे में, तो उसका करंट इमोशन क्या कह रहा है कि ये सारे उस मेरे एक्स के एंटा हैं, बिकॉज उनमें से उस सर्कल में से प्रोबेबली 3 लड़के वांट्स टू स्लीप विद हर बिकॉज उसका नया ब्रेकअप हुआ है, तो उसको लगेगा कि सारे उसकी एक्स की बेइज्जती मार रहे हैं, तो इट्स अ गुड मोमेंट, तो मेरे को भी कुछ चीज बतानी चाहिए जो उसने इन होप्स ऑफ ट्रस्ट शेयर करी थी मेरे से कि हाँ चलो ठीक है मेरे तो शादी होने वाली है उस औरत से, एंड वो भी चीज वो उन ग्रुप के सर्कल के बंदों के आगे गा देगी. दैट्स हाउ वुमेन आर. दे डोंट केयर अबाउट एनीथिंग. वो करंट इमोशन में जीती हैं. दैट्स ऑल. दैट्स व्हाट शी वुड डू. समझ रहे हो? इट्स वेरी वियर्ड, राइट? इट्स वेरी फकिंग वियर्ड इफ यू थिंक अबाउट इट. तो यही चीजें हैं भाई कि मैं थोड़ा सा कभी सोच नहीं सकता. थिंक अबाउट इट. लाइक दैट्स ओनली थिंग शी कुड प्रोवाइड. व्हाट एल्स शी कुड प्रोवाइड आफ्टर दैट? नथिंग. I know fucking men don't understand this basic things, man. You guys are too obsessed with women. That's why you don't get any. If I be very honest with you.
So now I don't need you.
Yep.
And at a certain point, I feel like you are imposing your stay upon me.
No, women impose all the time. I'll tell you another thing women do to impose.
How?
You know the number one thing women do that men don't identify? You know when bitches are starting arguments with you for no reason? Do you know why they do that?
Wow.
Have you ever seen a miserable, unhappy motherfucker get laid? I'm asking you. Because they're like, oh, you're going out. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Like, now you're in a bad mood.
Yeah.
You're at the club, like, oh, you know, I'm a bit tired, and this bitch pissed me off. You ain't getting pussy that way. You get happy dudes get pussy because you're in part of the game, right? You're having fun. So they'll detract you from your life. They have a lot of strategies they'll do to make sure you don't get no pussy.
You think women are fucking just bogging down on dudes?
100%. They're trying to fucking get the claws in. Why wouldn't they? That's their biological imperative. I need this man to survive if I get pregnant, or I'm literally going to die in the street. No other man's going to accept me. I need him. I can't have him running around the club talking to a bunch of other sexy girls. I need to piss his ass off, ruin his time, text him, distract him, be in his house so he can't bring the bitches back. They'll try anything. That's their biological.
Exactly what I'm saying. ये चीज मेरे को पसंद नहीं है. वो जो पंचायती होती है, कहाँ है, क्या है, that's what women do, right? And they pretend as if they care about it. Men fall for it. उनको लगता है कितनी care करती है मेरी ये, and all of that. And at a certain point, it gets so annoying. And the second it's all done, she's used to it. She would throw you like a garbage. Fuck off. Time to be with someone who's more toxic now. Haha. Amity Noida. Yes. DTU. Yes. Bennett, yes. OP Jindal, yes. Where are my shorties at?
Imperative.
That last part, when talking about that particular situation, that's what I really think.
Yeah.
The dude wanted to bring back bitches to his house.
Of course he did.
The bitches are probably saying, well, you told me you're not with your baby mama. Why can't we go back to your crib?
Correct.
She's squatting.
Correct.
She doesn't want to leave.
Yep.
Now, he has no relationship with her, but she's using these other things. Well, I just had your kid. You want me to leave? Well, if you want me to leave, I'm going to make you seem like a horrible father because you want me to leave with your newborn child.
Yep.
It's like she's unwilling to accept the fact that, yeah, he might fuck with you and love you, whatever the case is. But right now, he wants his crib to go fuck with the new hoes. But it sounds bad. You can't say that.
It's true. It's true. But
it sounds horrible.
I think if you were to honestly sit most men down, and they were honest and they weren't worried about what society would think of them, right? Let's say it was a double blind trial. They could tick a box and they'd say, look, traditional family life, one woman for the rest of your life. You stay at home. You're home every day at 5 o'clock. You play with the kids. You're a good husband, da-da-da. Or 10 sons, 10 baby mamas. You see them all when you want.
देखो, मैं इस चीज में no comments. मैं इस चीज में कोई comment नहीं करूंगा. ये अपनी personal choices होती है सबकी. For me, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि if I ever find a woman जहाँ मेरे को लगता है ना कि she's worth wifing up, I would be like the traditional man he's talking about. उसके अलावा I'm gonna be that 10 baby momos without the son, without anything. समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? तो जब तक मेरे को नहीं लगता ना कि हाँ there is a woman, but हाँ जब मैं settle होऊंगा, मैं properly होऊंगा. जब तक नहीं होऊंगा, तब तक होऊंगा ही नहीं. That's all. That's my basic philosophy on it.
You're cordial with the women. You get along with them. You get to see your children when you decide. Right?
Yeah, I think मोटा point में समझ आया होगा इस वीडियो का. तो that's pretty much it, boys. Fun video, right? Fun podcast. Like अच्छा लगा. I used to discuss this topic with all of you. I'm gonna see you in the next one. And then peace, ध्यान रखो. Take care. Bye bye.